Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, command prompt missing from start menu in Windows 10. Right-click start menu. Command prompt is missing. Click start button, settings. Click personalization. Click taskbar. Turn off replace command prompt with Windows PowerShell. Command prompt is displayed on start menu. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.